It works at the same site in the mitochondrion, and it seems to just act as a stabilizer or amplifier of the effect of coenzyme Q10.
So it's almost like if you take vitamin K, you're helping protect the CoQ10 that you have in your system?
Yeah, I think vitamin E and K both have that function of working at the CoQ10 site.
So do you think it's necessary for someone to supplement with CoQ10 if they're using vitamin K?
Oh, well, I wouldn't mix them even in your stomach. I think it's good to take them at a different time because I've seen a reaction which, at least in the presence of light, I think it might cause other reactions to happen when the vitamin E reacts with vitamin K.